So, you've signed up with an agency and you're waiting at home for those phone calls and texts to start and shine. How to make it in modeling and work full-time? Let's discuss working with an agent, mastering audition and casting, being on a job, and freelance modeling. My name is Zdenka and I'm a former model. Currently a professional photographer. Here it goes. Let's start with what you shouldn't be doing. Sitting at home, doing nothing, and complaining that you're not getting jobs is not going to get you anywhere. Don't forget that your agent has a roster of models hungry after those jobs. You got to be proactive. Check in once a day, call in, ask how they are doing, if there's anything new for you. When you're in a neighborhood, pop in, say hello. Don't do it every single day though, but once a week is good to discuss your career with your agent. I used to consult my log, anything I needed to be changed or developed portfolio. I used to show my agent photographers I found online to get approval if it was worth doing a TFP shoot with them. The agent will see that you're trying really hard and he or she will remember to submit you whenever you fit that category. Whenever I got a call from the agent, it was like, this is the address, be there at this time. Most of the time I wasn't given much of detail, so I went to casting sometimes even not knowing what it is for. It's not good. It was a very, very big mistake. Later on, I completely changed it. I always ask the agent, what is it for? What am I casting for? What should I wear? And all other details. My portfolio was set up by an agent. They always pick about 10 shots maximum and keep it very general. Some clients were people from fashion industry, so they were okay with it, they liked it that way. But when I was casting, for example, a swimsuit company, I tweaked my portfolio a bit. I took few general photos out and I added a good number of best swimsuit photos I had. I mean, a lot of photos I had. Very classy though, nothing cheesy and nothing too sexy. My agent didn't know I was doing it, so I don't suggest it if you don't know what you're doing and what photos are great and acceptable. I was getting a lot of bookings though when I did it, so it didn't work for me. General rule for castings: you want to show up 10 minutes early, dress the part, and if you are doing a talent audition, know your lines well. When I did acting, I didn't speak English very well, so I struggled with memorizing the lines. Sometimes there were words I even didn't know what they really mean. If someone wakes you up in the middle of the night, you need to be delivered the lines without any mistakes. You'll be in huge advantage. Have your modeling bag always ready to go. It should have nude bra and underwear. Strapless bra is the best. Black bra and underwear, white bra and underwear, nude black and white nylons, nude high heels, black high heels, and if you have white high heels. And then a really important item, very slippery scarf to put on your head when you are changing so you don't get makeup on their wardrobe. In any business, showing only the best and being the best can be the only way to grow your name and reputation. It takes really long time to build a name, and I'm talking years. But you do one bad thing and you're going downhill in the top speed and then try to climb up. Slippery, right? So, general rule again, come 10 minutes early with your model bag and portfolio. If you are bringing your own wardrobe, make sure it's clean, steamed or ironed. Bring water and snack, always be polite and confident, but don't act like a superstar. Another tip, Leave your boyfriend or girlfriend at home. It's not a date. And the big one, try to limit the phone. If you belong to younger generation, good chances that you're highly addicted to your cell phone. At least pay attention if somebody's calling you on the set. Agency will get you work, but it might not be as often as you want, depending on what agent you have. But I had an excellent agent, like Stefan Dusko was. I didn't even think of looking for freelance jobs, how busy I was. But then I got to big agencies, and those were giving me nice big gigs, but not every single day. So I tried freelance modeling on top of it, which went great. 40% of work I got from the agency and 60% of work I got on my own. Before you do it though, talk to your agent if he or she feels okay with it, and review your contract if you're even allowed to do such thing. Don't do anything behind someone else's back, as it might turn against you. You will either get fired or you fly downhill. As a freelance model though, you will have lots of extra work, what your agent would normally do. You will have to do marketing. You've got to be really active on social media, and especially Instagram these days. You will need to prepare a nice introduction email with few photos which you will be sending out to all photographers, designers, makeup artists, clothing companies, magazines, and anywhere else you think they might need a model. And you will need to resend it once in a while just to remind yourself. There is one dark side to the internet though. It will happen 100%, and it will. That you will attract certain individuals or, creepers. Get ready from strange requests, ugly emails, and all the bad stuff which comes with internet. You cannot avoid it. You will eventually encounter something like that here and there. So think about it before how you're going to handle it, and don't lose your sleep over it. Protect yourself. When booking a shoot with someone you don't know, do research, ask for references. Don't feel like you're bothering them. Or even worse, don't think like you might not get the job because you want to know if you will be safe or not. And you will also need to network. Network with photographers, other models, on the low pay jobs or no pay jobs, anywhere. Someone will eventually remember you and call you for something else in the future. And don't be afraid to refer someone yourself. They will eventually return the favor. Lastly, you will have to discuss rates on your own, sign model releases, issue invoices and receipts, and pay taxes. So that's it for today's video, how to make it in modeling. And I would love to hear from you what works for you and what not. Simply comment below. If you would like to see a video on a certain topic, you might have questions for me, please comment below as well. Feel free to share this video, give it thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Ciao, ahoj!